channel of BJC Family Vlog. Today is Bajin will get the award. Here, Bajin. And this award, Department of Education Region 7 Division of Bohol District of Talibon, Tanghaligi Elementary School, certificate recognition is present to Jean Marie L. Lodibese for her commendable effort and achievement as a learner of Tanghaligi Elementary School with honors during the first quarter of the school year 2021, given this 11th day of February 2021 at Tanghaligi Elementary School, Tanghaligi, Talibon, Bohol. Class Advisor Cindy C. Balabat and School Head Calista G. Oroyan. Here, Bajin. Wow! Congratulations, Bajin. And I love you so much. Pero na. Ano ba? Okay. Wow, Bajin with honor. See? Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Kani Mom.
Thank you, Mom Cindy.
Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.